Right, what's happening, guys? We've just pulled up to our first fishing spot, but I thought before I'd start fishing, I would grab a a first aid kit. Very important. Obviously, if I get bit by a snake or a spider, you know, which I don't want to happen, but it's always good to have this just in case. But look, I thought I'd just come out and have a quick crack at it anyway. I'm off work today, and I have planned to go fishing, but I am running a bit late due to other things. So let's go and have some fun. It's really clear. Holy crap. That is seriously clear, guys. I might just cast from here, eh? Because I don't want to get too close to the water. Interesting. Because I got hit by a bass all the way up there, so I'm just not too sure where they'd be hiding around here, that's all. Alright, let's go. Can't believe all the pollution here, man. I gotta buy some garbage bags and clean it up a bit, hey? Wow. Yeah, I can definitely believe that this was once a nice clear river with plenty of bass in it. Wow, it's just the pollution's just got to it real bad. There's a bass there. Bass. I see you, Mr. Bass. You're right there. See if I can get him. Oh, yeah, he's there, I can see him. He wanted to attack us, but my casting aim is just not that strong at the moment. What's going on? There we go. Put on. Yep, got him. Got you, little guy. Come here. Come here, mate. Come here. Oh, look at that little baby bass. Come here. Wow, look at the colours on him, man. Spotted you from a mile away, little buddy. Oh, look, I just hooked him. I am happy. Look at the colours on him, bud. He's so dark. You're a beautiful fish, mate. Thank you for coming. I just spotted a few just sitting down here, eh? See, little guy. And I knew the gulp would work, because with bass, what you gotta do is just kind of agitate them into attacking your bait, but now that I've done that, the spot is officially not fishable because they'll know I'm here. So I might try and move back up again and try assaulting those reeds. But look at that, right on through a highway, I caught a small bass. That's, if anything, that's actually a really nice sight to see. But I saw him go around like 3 bloody times. Yeah, if I can get him. Hold on. Oh wow, it actually looped itself in there. We're gonna store this safely. Oh. Oh, I've lost my lip grips. I wonder where I lost that. Crap. I'll have to go back up there and find them. Oh, I reckon I lost him in a tree. Snagged him somewhere. Could have been back over there. No, I'm confident I would have lost it in a tree. Whoa, red bellyback. Whoa, hello. I'm going home now. Wow. What a beautiful snake bite. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna go home. That's God telling me to go home. I'll go home, mate. That's okay. What an absolutely gorgeous snake bite. Look at that, she's just staring at me. See, mate? I'm fucking going. That's scary. Oh, he looks like such a cute snake bite. There you are, I can see there, mate. Wow, I was literally a step away from probably getting bitten. I hope Mum doesn't watch this video. She'll tell me immediately to stop fishing. Caught a bass and saw a snake. That's an adventure and a half right there. Alright, I'm going home. See you guys.